Yeah, for me, you see, we are in the dark world. The Bible talks about in the last days. Darkness shall cover the earth and gross darkness the people. We will be facing a lot of flies and insects in this dark world because we are the light. Light attracts flies at night. And we don't need to fight because we are bright. All we need to do is to shine our light. And that's what integrity does for you. Once you hold on to what is right in this dark night of the world, people begin to hold on to you and fight you. And my counsel to everyone who does right is to focus. Because the Bible has said, if thine eye be single, then your whole body will be full of light. Let's focus on doing what is right, not what others want us to do. Integrity is about being honest with yourself and others. It's not about being relative with your definition of what is right. Integrity is not moral relativism or situational ethics. Integrity is doing what is right, particularly because it's based on God's word. For me, I'd like to encourage everyone who wants to please God, one who wants to shine in this world, one who wants to be above all situations and circumstances, to hold on to